Dumelang baheso la moetswe kgasong ena ya ditaba tsa Sesotho SABC 2 puong ya matsoho ke tsamaya le Mphoteme le a le jwalo ha re di thakgole ka dihlooho tsa tsona.
Mmino o busetsa banana go setso ne ka re le batswana re le mala setso sa rona ya no sala go simologa ga stopa sa culture space le ditopa tse dingwe jaaka go mix
ba ba morokweng haufi le kganyesa ba thakgotse kgwedi ya botjhaba ka mmino wa setso. Tsona re thakgola semmuso ka ditaba tse re ma-Afrika a kgothalleditswe ho ikgantsha ka botjhaba ba bona. Sena se hleletse moketeng wa selemo le selemo wa mmino wa botjhaba o neng o tshwaretswe Morokweng haufi le Kganyesa provinseng ya North West.
Baahi ba Morokweng ba thakgotse kgwedi ena ya botjhaba ka mokete wa mmino wa setso moo teng ba bontshitsweng ditso tse fapaneng tsa Afrika. Mohlophisi wa mokete ona o re sepheo ke ho hodisa ditso tsa Afrika.
Gore re fa re tla go kopana le ba rona bo bataki ba kometseselegaeng re ba tsisitse dirala tse ditona gore ba kgone gore le bone ba kgone go itshupa mo pele ga batho ba bantsi.
Dibini tse bileng le seabo di ne di emetse dinaga tse kang Afrika Borwa, Lesotho le Botswana.
Mmino o busetsa banana go setso ne ka re le batswana re le mala setso sa rona ya no sala go simologa ga stopa sa culture space le ditopa tse dingwe jaaka go mix topa se tshwana le bo Machesa bo gore le bo Maawise bo ra re yana re tsosa mmino wa setso malatsena le banana ba kgategela ngwao ya bone.
Sosolosa mmino wa setso ka gore kete our cultural many people ba o ikgatolosa.
Tiragalo e dira gore batho botlhe ba ileng Batswana ba iteke mo setsong ba bileng teng moketeng ona ba re o ba hopoditse mo ba tswang teng.
Culture rona Setswana e botlhokwa thata mo go rona.
Bana ba nyena ba tlang ba gola ke re ba tshwara thata e se re gongwe ba utlwa sebodu mogala wa kgaoga.
Di-event tse di tshwaneletse di rotloetsa bana ba rona gore ba seke ba lebala go ba tswang teng. Ma-Afrika a kgothalletswa ho ikotla sefuba ka bo-Afrika ba bona le ho boloka letlotlo la bona bakeng sa meloko e tlang. Selwane Gagau, SABC News, Morokweng.
Motlatso mo presidente wa ANC Paul Mashatile o re ha ba ikemisetsa ho qhala makala a mo ga jwale. Sena ke ka mora sephetho sa dikgetho tsa naha le tsa diprovince tsa 2024 mo ANC e bileng ka tlasa 50%.
You see, when you rush to disband structures, you are doing a blame game. You are actually saying to them, it's your fault. So we are removing you. We are not there yet. What we want to do is to make sure that we understand exactly what the problem is, including in KZN. So the NWC tomorrow will discuss thoroughly these reports, and then we still have to go to the NEC to say to the NEC, this is what we have found as we were engaging branches in these areas where we lost election. So yes, in short, we're not disbanding anyone at the moment.
NPA inkile qeto ya ho se tjhotjhise tonakgolo ya province ya Eastern Cape ebile e le modulasetulo wa ANC provinceng Oscar Mabuyane menyenyetseng ya 2021 ya bobodu le boqhekanyetsi. Mabuyane o re ho tshehetsa mopresidente Cyril Ramaphosa ke lona lebaka le etsang hore a tlotswe ka mafura a sa janama.
It was purely made for step aside. People felt that the support Eastern Cape that was giving to the president was because of me. Then I was a target. So it was about destroying ANC, it was about disrupting the renewal agenda of the ANC, because as this province we have been consistent and clear, very firm at any platform, national platforms and elsewhere. When we talk about the ANC, that must be renewed. And we remained committed to that. So that's it. You know, it makes me feel very, very angry sometimes, but I'm okay. I think I've been watching this and I know the behavior very well. It can tell. You know, the affidavit was done in Butterworth, the case was opened in Gauteng, Hawks were appointed in Free State. So it was a clear game, planned, well orchestrated, because it was a joint operation done between Hawks and the public protector.
Ratela pele mo commissionera wa sepolesa sa naha General Fani Masemola o ne a le mothata provinseng ya Eastern Cape pejana ka jeno ka morao romelo ha lekala le ikgethang la sepolesa o lwantsha maqulwana a bahanya petsi a hlorisang setjhaba. Bekeng e fetileng ho ile a kgakolwa mohala o ikgethang ho tlaleha diketso tsena, mme mo commissionera o re ba se ba fumane mehala e ka bang dikete tse pedi.
As long as the problem of extortion is here, the task team will stay here. The national intervention will stay here. In any event, we are bringing more national intervention unit in this area to come and clean it, because we can see these criminals are brazen determined. Luckily, we know them. We have a name list of them, and as they looks like they are hunting us, because they went to the base. If going to the base was not enough, they still went and attacked the member again on Friday. So we will go out, go and hunt them. We are prepared, we are bringing more NIU. As long as they are here, we will not go away. We will make sure that we clean this area.
Ratela pele le tona la dikgokahanyo le technology so le malatsi le re lefapha le tlang ka mehato ka batho ba amehang boshodung ba tjhelete ya dithuso tsa mmuso. Mokgatlo wa setjhaba wa Pay the Grants o ipileditse hore tjhelete eo e kgutlisetswe ho beng ba yona. Moitshwarelo ka modumo o utlwahalang puong ena ya letona.
We have now referred the report to the Directorate of Priority Crime Investigation in a bid to ensure that those who are responsible for these crimes are brought to book. What makes this cash theft even more repugnant is that some of this money was stolen from vulnerable social grant beneficiaries and ordinary South Africans who were saving for a better future. We will use the full might of the law to fight anyone who dares rob citizens. I expect decisive action to ensure that public entities are run ethically and with integrity for the benefit of our citizens and not criminals.
Bafana e se e fihlile Sudan Borwa ho lokisetsa papadi ya ho phunyeletsa ho AFCON. Sehlopha se fihlile ka jeno Juba, mme papadi e tla ba ka la bobedi. Bafana e ho Group K le Uganda mmoho le Congo Brazzaville.
South Africa and South Sudan, we are two countries who are so close to each other, who help each other and will continue to help each other. And I would like them, as they get onto that field, they've got to understand that they carry the flags of both countries. Of course, we need a result because there must be a result. These are qualifying games. But at the end of the games, we are one.
Khaswena ditaba tsa Sesotho e fela mona kopana le moifo wa rona wa ditaba tsa Setswana hosane ka ora ya borobedi ka phirimana. Bolepi bo latela. Ke yona taba.